If you guys find this helpful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Thanks. Let's go over the first problem. The first problem is actually very easy, but I think this is a good point to just get familiar with the overall format of HackerRank. And unlike LeetCode, the problems and the layout that they give you can be a little confusing because at first I had some trouble with it too. This question is simple, but we'll go through like all these stuff, things that you don't even have to pay attention to, um, so that we can get uh, easier time doing our problems later. So we're given our problem: complete the function solveMeFirst to compute the sum of two integers. So they want us to get the sum of two integers, and they tell us the function prototype. So it's going to be an integer. So we're given two parameters, a and b, and both of them are going to be integers. And if you're coming from JavaScript like me, we don't use stuff like this, right? And it tells us here where a is the first integer input, b is the second integer input. So these are our parameters. Return value, they want us to return something, sum of the above two integers. So we get our sample input: a is equal to 3 and b is equal to, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. So these are our values, and our result is going to be equal to 5, and they just give an explanation. And when you first go through this whole thing, it's just a bunch of stuff, right? You can actually just ignore everything and then just go to where your function is. So function solveMeFirst, parameter a and b. And I noticed that if you change this function to ES6, it doesn't work. I think all these stuff is for HackerRank. Yeah, HackerRank. And just don't touch it. I just don't bother with it. And first one's gotta be easy. They even tell us what to do. Return a plus b, and if we submit, we get our result. It's gonna run it, and voila, it says it's success. So first one is straightforward. It's just good to get to know the overall format and how it differs from LeetCode. And they don't always tell you the test cases. They usually give one or two max, and you have to kind of unlock to see the test cases that you may have gotten wrong, and you do that with like some kind of point.